Hello everybody, how you guys doing? I hope you're doing great. Today I have another video for you and we're going to be trying a braided wig. Yes, you heard me right. This is my very first braided wig. I've never owned a braided wig before and I'm so excited about this one. So this is a 36-inch wig and it is a 13 by 8 edge lace front braided wig, a knotless braided wig. I got this off of Amazon in the color black. I love this wig. Guys, when I mean I love it, it is well made. The lace is perfect and it is lightweight. It's not too much. The size of the braid is just what I was looking for, right? So this came like with some adjustable straps, some combs in it, and then the lace, as you can see, was very well made and bleached. It looks so good. It came with head a wig cap and some accessories. So right now I'm just gonna try on the wig and you're just gonna see like how it looks like, right? I'm not gonna be talking too much in order to bore you with my voice, but just take a look on how I'll be installing this. I know you've watched so many videos on how to install wigs and things like that, but let me just show you how to install this braided wig. As you can see right now, I'm just trying to put on the wig cap. Again, I always want to encourage everybody, make sure you're going for a wig cap that matches your skin tone, because if it's off, people will be able to tell right from the bat that you're putting on a wig. So you want to make sure that your wig cap matches your skin tone. This one did not match my skin tone at all. I don't even know why I was trying it, but I decided to try. As you can see down the road, when I put on the wig, you could tell where the wig cap ends and where it started. And that wasn't so nice. So I had to take it off at some point and just put the wig cap straight on my hair. It sat well, it blended perfectly. And yeah, so guys, while you're watching, let's chit chat a little bit. How you guys doing? I hope you'll be doing good. I know it's been tough this past days in the economy, but I hope you're trying your best, don't give up in those dreams, on those dreams. Make sure you keep chasing them and don't give up no matter the circumstances. I wish you all well in your hustle. I wish you all well in your education for those that are in school and much more. I also want to use this opportunity to tell you that I started an online digital marketing business, and this business you need to be 18 years and above to do it, and you also have to be a legal resident um in your country wherever you are, because it's a registered business. Another thing, wherever you are in the world, if you're in the United States, you get a 1099 to file your taxes. If you're in Canada, you get a T4, and anywhere you are all over the world, you can get an equivalent tax document. So this business is pretty much will focus on attraction marketing. So we're affiliated with the company, but we do not do the direct selling of their products. So what we do is just do the advertising. Like we'll present a business opportunity to people and they're interested in coming in and being affiliate. You're gonna get a commission. So that's pretty much how it works. And mind you, we work with high ticketed products and the commission is wonderful. So if you would like to check it out, I'm going to leave my link um, in the description bar below. Make sure you check that out. And what it'll prompt you to put in your name and your email for you to watch a free webinar on how to get started and what the business is all about. I know many of you are looking for free things, but again, what I tell everybody, there's no free thing in the world right now, because even the oxygen that God gave us to breathe, we'll buy it at the hospital. So pretty much with every business opportunity and everything, you need to invest in it. So there's some form of investment in this business to start up, but it will depend on you, your budget, and your conversation with the coach down the line. But one thing I want to encourage you is to go ahead and watch that free webinar to determine if this business is for you or not. Another thing I want to tell you is once you watch that free webinar, it's going to prompt you to pay a one-time membership fee of $149. That money is fully refundable, guys. It's fully refundable. But what it's gonna get you is gonna unlock pre-coaching videos on how or what the business is all about, the company we're partnered with, the products we're partnered with, the services they offer and all of that, and it's going to tell you how the commissions are being made. And if you go through those videos and it's not something you want to do, they can go ahead and ask for your refund, because we'll have a 30-day money back guarantee. And we're going to also add you to a private Facebook group of over 200,000 people doing this business. So guys, again, if you're interested in looking for a side hustle, we all are looking for a side hustle, right? I am a nurse by profession. I work part-time and I'm running this business on the side too. So I just said, let me suggest that to anyone looking for a side hustle that you can do from anywhere around the world, because it's online, right? You just need a place where there's an internet and you'll be able to do this business. So just using your phone or a tablet, and you do no shipping. Not going to do any shipping or any selling like that. The business is going to do, the company will partner with is going to do that on your behalf. All you focus on is attraction marketing, pretty much through content creation, and much more. And we have video trainings on how you can go about that. So guys, we'll have everything. Just come check us out and see if this is a good fit for you. So back to our video, because I didn't want to like bore you, like, oh, I'm putting the wig left, I'm putting the wig right. It's pretty much self-explanatory, right? Explanatory. So yeah, I didn't want to install this wig fully this day. So what I was just doing, I was just trying to lay the hair, but I didn't want to use like gel or anything like that, because I had other things to do after this. So I did not want to go through that pain of really doing the hair and having to take back and clean. So what I just did, I was just brushing that. I'm not really a fan of baby hair, so the little hair that is left on there, I'm still gonna cut it, because I'm not really a fan of it. But yeah, I just tried to put it. As you can see, guys, tell me this braid is not giving. Tell me this braid is not giving, because it is giving. I really love it. It's everything. The other day I wore it and people were like, "Oh, your braids looks good." Like nobody could tell it was a wig, because you always want to make sure it sits well on your head, and then the lace blends with your skin tone too, right? You can use powder if you want to. That's gonna work. But this is it, guys. Tell me this does not look good on me. I love braids. I know some people always tie their braids, different styles here and there. um I always tie my braids, but I always like to just wear it down like this, pretty much. So I was just trying to show you like some ways you can do that. I'm not really good at it. I hope maybe I'm going to create another video on how to style your braided wigs, but I was just showing you the possibility to move these braids around. That's just pretty much what I was showing you here. I was not really styling it. As I said, I don't even have it laid down. I don't have the baby hair brushed down, because I did not want to go in depth with styling and all of that, make the video too long. So this is the final look after I've cut the lace and cut the baby hair and just install it on my hair straight up without the wig cap. But you can still use a wig cap if you want to, but make sure it matches your skin tone. So yes, guys, look at that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.